Stop. Before you says another shiny affiliate offer or dump money into ads, I want to tell you why 90% of affiliate marketers fail and how I figure out the long-term strategy that actually works. Hey friends, I am Bisho. I have been in this space for years. And trust me, I have been made the mistake, chase the trends and watched my commission go from sky high in the zero to zero overnight. But then I found what actually works, and it's not a secret offer or hidden traffic source. It's a strategy that building the most people, but it works every single time. Today's video I will you through why most affiliate marketers burn out and quit the proven steps top earners follow, and how you can build a sustainable real income without relying on luck. Let's start with that starts. Overlay or mention only 10% of affiliate marketers make constant income. Source STM from 2024. 7% quit within the first 6 months because they see no results. Most of the new affiliates make less than $100 per month, according to a 2023 survey by F-Stat. Why? Because they pick a random products to promote, don't build any audience or email list, rely on share techniques or short-term hacks, expect fast results without real strategy. I have been there too. I could just slave on a link, Facebook or Reddit to make the money overnight. No. The biggest mistake, no value upfront. Affiliate marketing is not just about selling, it's about solving. Ask yourself, will you click a random link from someone you don't know? And people buy from those they know, like and trust. That's a marketing 101. But most affiliates speak this trust part. They promote directly with no content, no connection, no long-term plan. When I was just almost ready to quit affiliate marketing, I met a mentor who changed everything for me. He said, stop chasing commission, start building trust at sell. That hit me. I so shift my focus on did three things differently. Step 1. Build an audience first, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, email list, or even TikTok. Start giving value around a niche, tease, review, compare, help. Step 2. Capture lists, don't just sell, use landing pages, lead magnets, and email sequence. The real money, it's a follow-up. 6 to 80% of affiliate sales happen after the first visit. Step 3. Promote only what you use. Be a customer first. Show results, share proof, and tell your story. That's grow when people see you're not just another salesman. Affiliates who build email lists make 2x to 6x more income than those who did not. I stopped running paid ads cold. I stopped posting random links in forum. Instead, I focused on long-term content and running my list. And that's when it clicked. I would not from 0 months to steady income that grow month after month. Not millions, but to say that works, the strategy would not get to reach overnight. But it's a you way to build something that lets that is the way. So if you've been stuck, frustrated or wondering why does this game feel so hard, now you know that's not about hustle. It's about system, about building value before you ask the sell. Comment below what's the biggest struggle you have been with your affiliate marketing. Like if this video helped you, subscribe if you want more no flop data driven strategies like this, and share this with a friend who's just starting out.